Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a Valentine's Day Happy Mail from my friend Jana. Look at this adorable bag. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I'm going to take everything out of the box and take some pictures, but I'll let you see all the cute packaging that she's done here. This is so sweet. There's a little pocket letter. Oh my gosh. These rosettes. I'm getting like a peek of everything already. Let's just take everything out. This is super cute. Wow. Okay. I'm going to take some pictures and I'll be right back. Okay, so I had a chance to open the card. So I have had this box sitting on my desk for a week, you guys. That's how long it's taken me to get to this video because I have so many other Valentine's videos. I have felt so bad, especially because, so this here I'm assuming is for my daughter. So our daughters actually send each other swap mail as well. And I felt so guilty because she's like, have you opened the package yet? And it's like, I'll try. So let's take a look inside and see, oh wow, what is in here. So this is a set of masks. Oh, I've never seen anything like this. This is fantastic because I actually just customized my spring FabFitFun box and I'm waiting for a bunch of masks in that, and this will tide me over until those come in. So that's really neat. Peter Thomas Roth. Well, that's really a special treat. All these different types of masks and all these really neat packages, like single serve sort of packaging. No one like you. I treasure you. XO. I love owls. So she's got a very sort of vintagey theme happening here with this. Look at all these adorable heart. Oh, I love these. I love getting heart things because they're such a great, perfect Valentine thing, but they're also amazing any time of year because you can use a heart for any scrapbook or project. I love the rosettes that she made for me. These are really great, Jana. So cute, and they are so much work. They look so simple and you think that they are easy, but they take so much time to cut and fold and score. And I really love the look of rosettes, but they do take a lot of time to make, so I appreciate that. It looks like she has sent me, okay, so I did open the card from her. I don't want to ruin the packaging here. I did open the card from her here that says I'm nuts for you, and it looks like she has gifted me more of the cards as well. So let's cut this bottom part off so we can see the designs because I just can't resist seeing what all the different ones. Let's dance. And you've stolen my heart. Those are cute. Really pretty. That's a different designer than anything that I've been able to get here. And they all say Happy Valentine's Day inside. So that is sweet. I think I'll use some of those for some Happy Mail Valentines that I still have to get out. I have felt so ahead of the game with my Valentine stuff because I've been working on it since Christmas time. I'll link here a Secret Cupid swap video that I unboxed from New Zealand from Absolutely Alice. And it's got me thinking that I'm totally like on top of Valentine's Day. And then I realized, oh my gosh, I have to get my kids' Valentine's done for school still. At least I've got a week from when I'm filming this to get this done. So these are really nice gold letters. Sweetheart, love, kiss, favorite, remember. That's cute. What is in here? Look at this pretty. Oh, that's a really neat sort of like vintagey glassine sort of bag. Don't want to wreck it, but Learn how to open it gently. Oh, there's that same owl. So she's cut out some of this. I'm going to have to cut into this here. She's cut out some of this kind of paper to decorate her tops for the packaging here. Oh, I really like these. I can't get enough of these kind of word stickers, so those ones are nice. I have a lot of black ones with white writing, so it's nice to have a variety now with white ones. Aw, that's nice. Pretty little studios today. Very pretty. Thank you. Word stickers. Love. Good stuff. Best of times. Yeah, these are great. I am going to use these actually in my planner. I love a plain black sort of scripted handwriting look. That's fantastic. And look at this cute, everything's all packaged so pretty inside a little plastic bag. Oh, this is funny. I made her one of these as well. So let's take a look inside. I think it's a folio. It is. So we are a part of the Crafty Rebels, which is Serena B's Patreon group. And Serena had done a tutorial a long time ago on how to make these folios. I can link one of the ones that I've done here. And they are so cute and fun. I love the way she's done this with this little bee over here and these little birds. It's so cute. And then inside each pocket, there's a little heart. And it's funny because I sent her a swap and I haven't posted that video yet, but I also made her one of these little folios because they are really, oh, that's great. Thank you for those, Jana. They're really such a fun little project to make, and they're a great way to gift little things to people. And I always go overboard and make things really 3D, and I like how thin this is because I send Happy Mail in like to my pen pals that I really need to make something more like this where it doesn't have so much layering to it because it ends up costing a fortune in shipping. And the idea for your pen pals is to just send letters in like a thin sort of envelope. So this is good inspiration for me, Jana. I think I'm going to have to take your lead and try to not layer so much dimension, which is hard for me. Aw, so she has made me a pocket letter. So this is how we originally started swapping, and I do believe it was Valentine's Day last year. So it's come a full year that we have been swapping. Look at these little envelopes. I have to take these out. It sounds like, oh my gosh, there's little Velcro, and they have little gifts inside. That is adorable. Oh, I love those. What a neat idea to put envelopes inside. Oh, little hearts there too. That's cute. So that is sweet. I adore you. Be my Valentine. You make my heart smile. Little mailbox with all the notes pouring out. Oh, she's put my name on here. So cute. This little phone. That's cute. So she made a pocket letter for Serena. We were, ironically enough, we were in a swap group together, and we were assigned different partners, and I got assigned her, and I was sending her a pocket letter anyway. So I sent that off to her with some other goodies as well. And look at all these amazing heart things that she has sent to me. Oh, yay! I actually just gifted away some of these clothespins, and I was thinking, oh, I'm giving away all of my last remaining ones, and now I've got some replacements, so that's great. And these are super cute. I love these little shakers with the eyes. What fun. Oh, this feels like chocolate. I am so proud of you, Jana. I saw the price for shipping. It always kills me when your cost for shipping is like $50. The key to shipping is weight. You really have to like keep the weight light so that it doesn't end up costing a fortune. And I'm so glad that it was like half the price for you to ship this box as usual, because it has all the same wonderful goodness that it does. And it didn't cost you a fortune to mail, so yay, good job. These look really great. So this is like the heaviest thing in the box. So you did well being able to ship this and still keeping it underweight to not go over. I don't know if you guys can hear my dog barking at something or other out upstairs as I'm filming. So I will give this gift to my daughter to open up. She'll be so excited that I finally opened this wonderful Happy Mail. And I thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.